All right, guys, you ready for round 2 on series circuits? More of the same. Anybody needed help and want to see a couple more examples? We're going to start punching them up there. So on this one, it's going to be very similar to the last one. We just got the resistors on different parts of the circuit here. But again, where they're located doesn't really matter. It just matters their path. So all of these are going to be in series with each other. So let's go ahead and just punch in the values again. So we got 45 volts. That's the total. Get that in there. Resistor 1, 5 kiloohms. Let's make sure we get our units straight. It's going to mess us up a lot later on when we start having things like milliamps and megavolts. Resistor 2, we got 10 kiloohms. All right, 7.5 kiloohms for 3. Again, these are all going to be additive. The resistance in a series circuit, the voltage drops, both of those are additive, so we can use that to our advantage here. So we're just going to go ahead and add up. So 5 plus 10 plus 7.5. Go ahead and punch that in. We got 22.5 kiloohms. Now I got two values again. So let's go ahead and find out what our current's going to be on that. So Ohm's law, we take 45 volts divided by 22,500 ohms. That's going to give us a pretty small number here. So we got 0.002 amps, or if we wanted to write that a little differently, as long as we keep our units straight, 2 milliamps. Now that's going to be the same across every resistor, so let's go ahead and just carry those values over. I like to keep the amps, and if I need to in my answer, I'll go ahead and change the units, but just because it shows me exactly what I need to punch into my calculator, so I'm just going to leave it in this form for now. So again, just carry the values up here. All we need to do is fill in Ohm's law and apply it to each resistor since we have all these values. So we're not going to multiply that by 5, right? We got to keep our units straight. So 0.002 times 5,000 ohms gives us 10 volts. Resistor 2, 0.002 amps times 10,000 ohms, 20 volts. And then 0.002 times 7,500 gives us 15. Now again, check your work, make sure it adds up to the total, which it does, so we're good. Alright, so let's go ahead and move on to some more complicated stuff. If you guys have any questions, again, call us during our classroom hours, and we'll be sure to give you guys some individual assistance. Alright, see you guys soon.